What is up, everybody? Convincing Viper Guy here again, back with another review. This is where I try different products and let you guys know if I approve them or not. Today's review is going to be on the Burger King chicken fries. And this is the package that it comes in. Just the fries by itself was $2.99, or you can get a meal for $5.69. And I went ahead and got the meal, so that way I had the fries and the drink. And there it is right there. So, and this is the box that it comes in. So you got your little space for your dipping sauces. On the back here it says, dip with one hand, tweet with the other. I thought that was pretty cool. And then hashtag chicken fries. So let's open this up and try it out. I've seen a couple people try these ones. And I have been wanting to do the same. I was just now was able to. So let's see. I guess I got a little spot here for your dipping sauce. So I put that down there. And I ended up getting the barbecue. They gave you different brands, but I decided to go with the barbecue brand. So let's get this open. Put this in here. It's got a convenient holder. Okay, so this is what it's dropping. This is what it looks like. It's breaded big time, which is nice. So we'll get some of this. These are really good, especially with the barbecue sauce in it. It has a little bit of spice, but not too bad. But it's really good. So I would have to give the chicken fries, sorry about that. Also, I would have to give the chicken fries a rating of an A. They are good. I like them. I'm definitely glad that I was able to finally try them out. I've seen a lot of videos on it. And I told myself, you know what, I'm going to have to, I keep seeing the commercial, I'm like, I have to go get them. And then I finally saw a few of my friends try them out, so. And I've also seen quite a few reviews about it as well, so I was wanting to be one of those that tried it, so. I give it an A on my rating scale, and they really aren't all that bad. I mean, just like I said, like the chicken fries are just by itself, it's only $2.99. So you can actually get it just by itself with the dipping sauce, or you can get it in a meal. So thank you all for watching. Please stay tuned for more exciting product reviews. And until next time, guys, got a Jeep, dirty it up.